What's up, car fans? Is the new 2025 Citroen C3 Aircross Hybrid the most interesting small SUV hitting the market this year? I'm getting my first hands-on look today, and this quirky French crossover might just surprise you. Let's start with what catches your eye immediately. This thing looks properly rugged. Citroen has completely transformed the C3 Aircross from its cutesy predecessor into something with genuine presence. Those chunky fenders, raised ride height, and bold body cladding give it serious mini SUV vibes. The split-level headlights and oversized Citroen badges make sure everyone knows what you're driving. Under the hood, the hybrid system pairs a 1.2-liter turbo 3-cylinder with a 28-horsepower electric motor for a combined 134 horsepower. It's not a tire shredder, but during my brief test, it felt peppy enough for daily driving. The 48-volt system allows for short bursts of electric-only operation at low speeds, potentially saving you money at the pump. One of the coolest features? Those customizable front and rear clips that let you add your personal touch with different colors. It's a clever way to stand out in parking lots full of lookalike crossovers. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that prioritizes comfort over flash. The minimalist dashboard feels airy, and Citroen's advanced comfort seats are genuinely impressive. They've added extra padding for 2025, and you can feel the difference immediately. Tech includes a compact digital cluster and a responsive 10.25-inch touchscreen with wireless smartphone connectivity. Perhaps the biggest surprise is the available 7-seat configuration. The third row is tight, but having that flexibility in this segment is remarkable. On the road, the C3 Aircross really showcases Citroen's comfort-focused philosophy. The advanced comfort suspension soaks up bumps impressively, while light steering makes it a breeze to maneuver in tight spaces. Should this be on your shortlist? If you want a compact crossover with genuine character, practical features, and a dash of French flair, the 2025 C3 Aircross Hybrid absolutely deserves your attention. It stands out in all the right ways in an increasingly crowded segment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.